In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Slack. Creating a form directly inside Slack is a great way to collect structured information without sending people outside the workspace. It works especially well for things like bug reports, internal requests, or feedback forms because everything stays in one place and your team can respond faster. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once your workspace is open, go to the top left area of the screen and click on your workspace name to open the main drop-down menu. From there, choose Tools and then open Workflow Builder. This takes you into the area where Slack automations are created. When the Workflow Builder window appears, click Create Workflow in the top right corner to begin. Next, you'll need to define how people will open the form. From the list of trigger options, choose from a link in Slack or Shortcut if that's what appears in your workspace version. This simply tells Slack how the form will be launched. After that, give your workflow a clear and recognizable name, something that makes sense for its purpose, like a bug report form or a feedback form. Once that's done, click Next. Now it's time to add the actual form. On the workflow canvas, click Add Step. In the built-in step library, search for forms or collect info from a form and then select it. A settings panel will open where you can build the form itself. In this panel, start by entering a title for the form. This is the header people will see when the form opens, so make it clear and specific. Then click Add a Question to begin creating your fields. For each question, type the question text you want people to answer. After that, choose the field type that best matches the response you need, such as short text, long text, multiple choice, or select from a list. If a field must always be completed, turn on the required option so users can't skip it. Continue adding questions one by one until your form is complete, then click Save. To make sure responses go somewhere useful, add one more step below the form by clicking Add Step again. Choose. Send a message to a channel, then select the channel where you want submissions to appear. In the message text box, create a simple message template and insert variables from the form fields, so the submitted information is included automatically. This helps keep responses organized and easy to read. Finally, go to the top corner of the workflow canvas and click Publish. Your Slack form is now live, and people in your workspace can open it through the link or shortcut and submit information directly inside Slack. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.